Hello friends. So in this video, we will discuss about artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence has become a part of our lives. We all are getting touched by this technology, and this technology is evolving at a fast rate. So that is why it is extremely important for the upcoming year mains examination, as well as in the future prelims examination. You can expect a question from this topic. So we will coherently discuss all the facets of artificial intelligence in this video. We will talk about what are the different types of, first of all, what is artificial intelligence, then what are the different types of or the applications of AI, and then we will talk about what are the initiatives India has taken, and then the global initiative to regulate it, to utilize it, and then what could be the possible way forward. So first of all, what is AI? What is AI? That you need to understand. So it is a field of computer science. Now, what used to happen earlier is that to do a particular task, a person has to write an algorithm and then give a command, and then it used to run. You will give a command, then it will run. It cannot run on its own. It cannot function on its own. Say, for example, if you want to find some content, so you have to manually type on Google, search that particular content, and then filter out by yourself what is relevant, what is not relevant. Even though there is search engine optimization that is ranking the relevant content by Google, that is also a kind of AI. But it was that you have to perform tasks manually, you have to give command. There is no intelligence. There was no performance of task on their own, and it required human intelligence to utilize the machines. Now, this technology is trying to give machines the kind of intelligence that humans have, that they can decide what should be done, how what content should be brought from the many of the websites, to give you a specific content, to give you a perfect edit of your photo, to give you a perfect edit of your music video, to provide you relevant suggestions, or your device like your mobile, your fridge, your all the like lights, etc. It can be also connected and made artificial intelligent. Like your if you have fridge which is having AI feature, then what it will do is if the temperature is rising beyond 40, it will increase its cooling. Its mode will automatically become the cooling mode will enhance. If the temperature is low, it will automatically adjust its temperature. So it will work on its own. Okay, or there can be that in daytime you are putting more items in it, so it will adjust accordingly. Okay, so this is what they are having, a kind of memory. First of all, the data is provided to them, and based on the data, there is an algorithm which is made, and now they are functioning on their own because of the intelligence found by injecting data into them. If this will happen, that you have to do. If this prompt is given, you will have to perform in this way. So this is a method of providing intelligence to machines. Now there are key components. First of all, you have to learn, you have to acquire data, and then you have to choose the right algorithm. There will be different algorithm. The machine has to choose which algorithm you have to adopt. Then there is self-correction, ensuring accurate result. You must have utilized ChatGPT, and in that it is mentioned many times that the information provided is prone to error. Okay, and they are evolving day by day. Now there are subfields of it. The first is machine learning, the second is natural language processing, third is computer vision, and fourth is robotics. Now, the most important component or most important application for us is generative AI and ChatGPT. So, what is generative AI? So, generate means creation. So, all that creates original content, be it music, be it image, be it text, be it videos. You must be hearing songs in Virat Kohli's voice, songs in MS Dhoni's voice, songs in Prime Minister's voice. All of these are what? What these are applications of generative AI, that they have the data of the voice of honorable prime minister, and then there is a particular song with the memory of the voice. They are generating the song in the voice of a particular person. So this is an application of generative AI. Okay, ChatGPT is what? ChatGPT is a kind of generative AI only. It is generating content, it is generating codes. Okay, so all of these are part of generative AI. Okay, it can answer follow-up questions. It can admit mistakes. It can challenge incorrect premises. It can give you a suggestion if you are talking something wrong or the way of talking is not correct. It will point out to that. It will reject inappropriate requests. Okay, so all of these are part of intelligence. And there are various versions coming of ChatGPT. There are many others. Google's Bard AI, DAL AI. There are so many things which is coming. Now, what is machine learning? So first of all, it is part of AI only. It enables computer to learn from data without explicitly programming for it. So they are learning on their own. Okay. So its type include supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning, and applications are mammoth. It's include image recognition. So if you are providing a particular image, it will recognize it is of which place. It is of Sikkim, it is of London, whatever it is. Speech recognition. It can recognize your speech. It can recognize your voice. And what you are telling. This is also part of machine learning. Okay. Fraud detection. You can see that there while you are using email, you can find that there are certain emails which Google is flagging that it can be a possible spam, phishing. It can be dangerous for you. These all are part of what? These all are part of machine learning. Then there is deep learning. So it is part of machine learning. It is a subset of machine learning. So it is inspired by the human's brain. Human's brain has billions of neurons. So the deep learning is inspired from that. It uses or imitates the neural network that brain has. So because brain can handle large amount of data, it can also handle large complex data sets and excels in image, speech recognition, language processing, even the auto driving, autopilot mode in the cars that also utilize deep learning. Okay, or drug discovery, which can have a great application in the health sector. Now, what are the initiatives India has taken in AI? So first of all, there was a task force, which was known as N. Chandrasekaran Task Force, which wanted to study about the implications of AI in national security. So if technology is always value neutral, all the advantages of technology can be utilized for threatening internal security also, and can be utilized for securing internal security also. So it's very important that government is taking enough step to be in line with the evolving technology. And that is why in governance, we need technical expertise as well, apart from generalists, which we are getting from the civil services. And that is why there is a demand of dominization of services as well, to an extent, specifically for areas like science and technology. Then for startup and innovation support, the Defense Indian Startup Challenge was started for having a research in advanced technology like AI. And there are different research and development initiatives also under the umbrella of Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Okay. Then the next initiative is Subhas and Supas. They are an AI system for judicial efficiency. Then there is Indie AI, serves as the national AI portal for studies and discussions on AI. And India is participating in the global partnership on artificial intelligence. Now, global AI regulation initiative. When the technology is so powerful, we also need to regulate it because it can have several fallouts. Deepfake is one of the part of it, that one can generate any kind of fake video, vulgar video of girls, of celebrities, etc., and that can have a massive impact on the person as well as the reputation as well as on the society. So European Parliament was the first one. They formed the Artificial Intelligence Act. It prohibits high-risk AI technologies, focus on transparency, explainability, and human oversight. Then UK also formed it. Light touch approach applies existing sectoral regulations to AI. And they also had a white paper which outlines 5 principles for AI development. This should be the principles. And USA had a regulation. They formed a blueprint for AI Bill of Rights. It wants to address economic and civil rights harms which can happen because of AI. Again, it has taken a sectoral approach that is having different sectors. What should be the framework for each sector? There cannot be a one size fits all approach. There should be a tailored policy. Then China, the regulation governing recommendation algorithms with a focus on information distribution. Then UNESCO has developed a comprehensive standard setting draft recommendation on AI ethics. Now, what should be the way forward in Indian context? There should be a comprehensive AI policy framework that balances innovation with ethical consideration. There should be a regulatory body to oversee AI deployment and ensuring compliance, ethical guidelines. Then there should be more fund for research and development because we are lagging behind the countries like USA, China are front runner in it. And when specifically China, who is a hostile neighbor, they will be far ahead from us in AI. It can have a vast internal security challenges, as well as they can tinker with democracy and all, because with the use of AI, elections can also be tinkered. Skill development, we need to develop educational programs to train a workforce proficient in AI technologies. And if the existing workforce is there, we can have reskilling also. And we need to build a robust digital infrastructure to support AI deployment across various sectors, whether it is defense, whether it is health, whether it is education. So this was an overall view about artificial intelligence, and I'm sure that it will help you. Apart from it, there should be ethical AI, there should be public awareness, there should be international collaboration. All these are generic points that you can also utilize in your mains exam. So take care, best wishes. We will have different other videos as well, which will help you. Okay.